In just 90 seconds, you will completely change the way you think about access control integration across schools.
First, ACTi Access Control Integration offers the most practical HR system integration. With a single setup in the backend, new employees automatically receive access rights, while departing staff are instantly deactivated. No manual work required, no mistakes, no security gaps. Next is the powerful PSIM integration. Whenever there's unauthorized access, abnormal card swipes, or forced entry, PSIM immediately alerts the control center, triggering live video and alarms. Whether in school dormitories or restricted factory zones, this automated defense mechanism ensures risks are blocked in real time. Third, we have the much-anticipated SCADA integration for industrial environments. Through the Modbus protocol, access control devices can link directly to production systems. Any abnormal equipment status, open doors, or power issues are instantly displayed on the SCADA console. For automation areas, machine rooms, or warehouse entrances, this transforms access control into a core part of production safety. Fourth is the most flexible feature, server-to-device and server-to-server integration. In logistics warehouses, trucks can trigger gates automatically once scanned. In school activity centers, entry can be limited by schedule. For large-scale projects across campuses or factories, server-to-server ensures real-time synchronization of records and automatic backup switching. Even if the main server fails, security never stops. Finally, ACTi provides not only products, but also full development and technical support. Our free RESTful API makes it simple to integrate with ERP, WMS, and HR systems. Plus, our expert engineers offer one-on-one support, from requirement analysis to deployment and testing, guaranteeing zero project failure. This isn't just integration, it's a tailored assurance of success for customers and SI partners. Compared with brands like Axis, ACTi delivers the same enterprise-grade specifications, but at 30% to 50% lower cost, with faster customized deployment. For system integrators, this is not just a product, but a real opportunity to grow your business. Contact ACTi today and discover how to build a fully integrated smart access control solution with less budget, upgrading security for your schools, factories, and logistics centers.